Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And overall, the trend remains very, very positive, so there's nothing wrong with the chart at all. There's just kind of some annoyances, if that's probably the right word for it. The annoyance being this red line here, as I've talked about before, at 0.027 being a level of resistance. So yeah, the price was rejected by it there, and then today, price got up above it. Problem was the price could not maintain above it. And then after the price fell back below it, you can actually see a couple more instances both there and there where the price tried to get up above it and then it was rejected. The point here being that 0.027 has definitely been confirmed as an area of resistance, and that's nothing bearish. If anything, it's just kind of a sign of annoyance for the bulls, where if this uptrend is going to continue, then yeah, that's apparently the level that's kind of been a little stubborn, but it's not like the price crashed or anything like that. And really the easiest way to kind of just illustrate all this is in a couple different ways, and I'll leave it up to you. Either you can just continue to pay attention to where these lows are at. So if you look at where the lows have been over time, these lows keep getting higher and higher. So there you go. You can visualize those as stair steps being constructed in the upward direction. So from that point of view, again, yeah, 0.027, it's a resistance. It's failing to break it. So that's annoying. But the stair steps are still very nicely going in the upwards direction. Or you can just simply watch that purple line there, which I've talked about in past videos, and that is the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So if you don't want to use the stair steps, just watch the purple line, and it all boils down to the fact that as long as the price is above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, full strength. However you're going to best visualize that, that is what is being represented. So yes, 0.027 certainly confirmed as resistance, but as long as the price continues to build these higher lows, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So just continue to focus on those healthy consolidations as it's doing right now, and eventually that break will come. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.